Alright guys, I'm getting with AJ.
Hey, come here.
Don't y'all see whatever we trying to flip it over.
Yeah. Because it did not deserve to die.
Go Braylon. Caleb. Hey, me
Instagram?
get with AJ.
You too.
So, let's see. We just walked around here and try to flip over. See, look. Oh, go.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Come on, buddy. You can do it.
Let me hold it and you do it.
Wait, can I hold it?
He stopped breathing.
Ezekiel's dead.
No way. Can I throw it?
There you go. Go.
Watch this. If I make it think it's after attack, he'll go. Put it in his mouth so he can bite it. They don't bite it.
Get up.
Get up, little birdie. You can do this. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, birdie.
They don't bite it.
Is he dead?
It's suffocating. It's suffocating. Go.
Hey.
What are you doing?
He's swift with it though.
Good.
It's hard for
Close
him
to
to
his
get out,
head.
little birdie. It's hard for the bird to get out.
This sad for this little guy.
Yeah.
I feel sad for this little guy.
Me too.
Something probably wrong with his beak. I mean, something wrong with his wings or something. Cause
Dude, I'm glad I found this.
it's probably a little one. Huh? They got lost.
It's up.
It's up. Ooh.
Come here, little boy.
There we go.
No.
Yes. Oh.
Really? Look at it do. Really? Oh, okay. Come on, get up.
Go.
No, what you doing? Get up. Stay up. Don't do it like that now. Don't do it like that. It was already up. What you doing?
There you go. Let's go. Oh. Wait, is this YouTube?
No, he's suffocating.
Yes. Oh, shoot. It might have rabies, though, so
They do.
I said it might. That's why we ain't trying to touch with our hands.
We should post this on YouTube and his channel.
Shut up.
Come on. There you go. Go. There we go.
My God, it's sad.
Oh, I feel sad for this little bird.
Bro, this Braylon over here. Look at the camera, dude. This Braylon over here. Braylon Wilbur. He found it.
Don't bite.
I've been finding a long.
But we trying to help you. Don't you see?
Look, watch this.
Don't do that. Something wrong with it. Probably a little one. Little baby.
Oh, what if they got caught to you and he bit you?
Hey, no. Sad for the little guy.
There we go. You're free.
Don't you see? We trying to help you, buddy.
There we go. Oh, watch it.
Watch his ass get back up.
He's suffocating.
Look,
Right.
he said no. You saw that?
Yeah.
There we go. Wait, let me show. Let me try.
Caleb over here want to try, but I don't know. Look at this dude over here.
Look. No, it's your turn. No, it's your turn to flip his ass.
You know, that's what's
Let
up.
me hold the camera. Let me hold the camera.
We trying to help you. I got it.
Yeah. Come on, Birdie.
Trying to help you.
Oh, God. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Man, in fact, I was doing my work.
Tell Dayton to come here.
I don't know where he at.
He's still at the Dollar Tree, maybe.
We probably did went to the store.
Yo.
He back?
Jack.
Come here.
Dylan! You was not gonna believe us! Dylan! Oh my God! Get up! Suffocating! Oh my gosh! Get up! Oh! Get up! It's suffocating! Go! 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 Go, 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 go!
Is it back down?
Yes!
Oh, my God. Where's this bird?
No, no, it's not. It's not down. Come on.
No,
Well,
don't let him go.
No!
can't save it now. It's gone. What the?
You can go down there and make it get out.
Come on, Birdie. Come on, Birdie.
Go do it.
It's called Savage.
Yes! No, don't go that way! Come on!
Don't.
Oh.
Where?
Right here, right there. No, he's over there. Come on.
Okay. But I'll see y'all in a little bit. I'll make another video in a few minutes.
He's up.
So I'm about to go.
He's up.
I'll see y'all in a little bit.
He's up.
Peace.